So we have this piece of siding that's coming off the house. And it was like, oh, well, we got to fix that this year. Well, now we have a problem. It's that there's a bird nest in that piece of siding now. So now we have to wait until all the chicks hatch to fix that. So I am going to play outside today. By that I mean work. I gotta weed the vegetable garden, and I just got all of the plants back in. I kind of gave them a little test run outside in the heat so they didn't scorch when I put them out there. Obviously some of these are a little wilty, so they could have probably used this a little sooner, but we got kind of a jungle here. So I got the hose set up again, and what I'll do here is run my other hose out so I can water the trees and the blueberries and the raspberries over there. But then this first section comes in here, and I got the sprinkler set up. I sprinkled this in, so hopefully it'll be a little easier for me to use Mom's little hand tiller here. And I will... Hi, Looters! Get all this junk out of the garden. Kind of turn some of that compost in so we can plant maybe tomorrow. So we were going to expand the garden a little bit, but not sure how much time we're going to have this summer. So we're just going to start with this and see how we go. So this Brussels spot was looking really good, and I think Hillary got it when she was in here, so I don't know if we'll get anything off it this year, but here it is, all weeded. Took one full trailer load, so I'm going to go run this to the brush pile and then grab some compost, spread it around in here, and we'll be ready to plant. So I was grabbing these out of the field here. I thought, oh, what the heck is that? Salamander, buddy. So we have appointments at 8, right? Dropping running off at the parents' in-laws. This train just pulled out, and now it's backing up. At least it's a short train, but like literally drove past us that way and now is coming back. And we have 26 minutes to get to Fremont.
Update.
The train is now stopped.
The train is now stopped. We don't know what's happening.
So we went and got our eyes checked today, and we both got our eyes dilated. I'm lucky enough to have sunglasses. Carrot. It's roll-on sunglasses.
They're like these little plastic it's just a sheet. There's not even an attacher.
Yeah. So she's Grandma RoboCop. I see you, Mr. Hawk. It's our guy that's coming into a bird feeder. He was just sitting on the road over here. Lots of white, all the stripes on his tail. Not that big.
So we're now going back over to pick up our daughter from my parents' house hours and hours later, and there's a train again.
Yeah, 5:30. It's almost gone, so I had to... Luckily, that's over. Whoops!
Whoops.
It's a little slanty here, Mom. To the right.
That's why we're going. Whee!
Come on, Wrenna! Yay! Woo! You still got your seed pod? How's that new backpack feel? Hey, Wrenna. Rudolph. Baby, I gotta fix your hat. Trying something new here.
Got a comfy new backpack and also pretty cute.
These crazy mushrooms growing up this tree here. They're like sealed underneath. Almost. And like really hard. It's soft underneath. I feel like it's like gonna eat me. It has begun. Frogs have returned. Kara, come look.
Hi. Hi, guys. I thought you meant we had one in our house again.
No frogs on the floor.
So far, so good. You stay right there.
Kara wanted chocolate chip pancakes. I wanted bacon, but everybody likes bacon.
Everybody likes bacon. Rena likes bacon.
Yeah. And so we're giving Rena some chocolate chip pancakes. And she has figured out that she can pick the chocolate chips out of it and leave the pancakes behind.
Which really, why aren't we all eating chocolate chip pancakes that way, right?
All the chocolate's gone on these. So, Mama, can I please have some more chocolate?
Okay. Yes, you can. There you go, baby. This is Rena's first experience, as far as I'm aware, with chocolate chip pancakes.
Yeah, same.
She's already an expert.
Now let's be the waves going in and out. The waves in the sea go in and out, in and out, in and out. The waves in the sea go in and out all day long.
Yeah. You want to be scooped?
Oh, I see.
see the turtle or just the owls?
Not sure if we see the turtle or not. I think there's more turtles over here. Do you want to go look at the turtles with Arthur?
Man, their tails just look like root vegetables.
Yeah, that's a carrot. Just a long neck boy over here. Oh, there's a snapper in this other tank. Big boy down here. Big old turtle.
A raven?
I helped name this toad.
Now, so we're gonna stay right here behind this on her good side one of these nights. It's a big owl.
It's a big owl, huh?
Big one. That was so wild.
We like the owls. Owls are a big hit.
Hoot hoot. Hoot hoot. Hoot hoot.
And just like that.
Yeah,
She's got a little toady cigar.
Good job. I just learned that the other day that toads use their eyes to push the food down into their mouth, into their throats.
How?
It's like this mechanism where like the eye like recedes for a moment.
Like a swallowing? So it
Like it pushes.
Unfortunately, Quilver is not here today. It would have been cool to see him.
seasons under its belt.
Wow, its eyes are so like I would rip your face off if I had. It is nice, buddy.
Pretty bird. All the birds out here is magical.
It really is kind of a perfect day.
Yeah.